Hey YouTube, Paraborn here, back again with another money making video for you guys, and today I'm going to be doing an hour of crafting gold necklaces in free to play. I hope you enjoy. To do this money making method, all you're going to need is level 6 crafting, which is very easy to get. You can also do gold rings at level 5 crafting, which right now is a little bit less profitable, but sometimes the prices fluctuate and it can be more profitable, so just check the prices when you're doing this. All you need to do is go to the Grand Exchange, buy a necklace mold and some gold bars, and then head to Al-Kharid. Once you're in Al-Kharid, there's a furnace right next to a bank, and you're just going to use your gold bars on the furnace and make your gold necklaces. And once you've done that, you're going to have about a minute where you don't have to do anything, and that's why this method is very AFKable, especially for free to play. Once you finish your inventory, all you have to do is run a little bit south and bank your gold necklaces, and then withdraw some more gold bars and do it all over again. Now that you know exactly how to do this money making method, I'm going to go ahead and do it for an hour for you guys so we can find out exactly how profitable it is in the hour, and I'll be right back after that. Alright, just finished up the hour. As you can see, I made 1,458 gold necklaces in that hour, which I sold for 145 GP each on the Grand Exchange for a total of 211k. Now, I bought the gold bars for 78 GP each, which was about 113k, so we did profit about 100k in the hour. I'll have the exact amount in the screen right now. So as you can see, this method is very competitive with some of the best money making methods in free to play, and being as AFK as it was, it is definitely worth considering doing, especially on a new account where you only need 6 crafting to do this. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope this helps someone to make some more money. If you want to make even more money, make sure you check out the playlist on the screen, and make sure you're subscribed so we can make more money together in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next one.